That right there is an 100-year-old man, and he just bowled a strike.
Well, so does Frank the bowler from Pinellas County. He turned 100 this month.
Meet Frank E. Larney, the world's oldest bowler. If Frank bowled 20 games against somebody here, how many would he win?
All 20.
I made it. Well, I'm over 100 now already. I'm going for the next 100 more.
Just tied the game. He just tied the game. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Today, the mission was simple. Step 1, find Frank. Step 2, well, there's actually no step 2. I didn't come here just to meet Frank. I came here to challenge him and hope to uncover the Clearwater, Florida legend behind the hype. Good as Frank.
He's pretty good. He's still getting out there every day. So.
Oh, well, he beat. You might beat him actually, but you wouldn't beat him with a handicap. You live a century are unique.
And then I met him, and I'm like, "You're really 100?" And he goes, "Yes." I was like, "Oh my gosh!" So I sent a picture to my husband, and I said, "Look at my new teammate. He's 100."
Yeah, I'm looking for this guy right here. I don't even know him, Frankie Larney. I spent a total of 7 days tracking him down with one main mission of mine: to bowl against the world's oldest bowler. Yeah.
Hey, man, Frank's still here.
Is Frank still here? You're too late. I'm too late. But 2 trips to the bowling alley and nothing. Just when I was ready to give up. I'm sorry?
You're looking for Frank?
Yeah.
He's in the bar.
He's in the bar?
Yeah.
Oh my God, thank you so much. I appreciate it. So, I have been tracking this guy named Frank down for a week and a half. We've asked 6 people. I came here today. They said he wasn't there, but he is here now, and he's here at the bar. 100-year-old guy, bowler. He's at the bar. So let's go meet him at the bar, and hopefully we can get a story on Frank. Hello, Mr. Frank. How you doing? Nice to meet you. My name is Adrian.
What's up?
Yeah, I was looking for you for like a week. I saw your story on the news.
I didn't see nothing.
Yeah, I saw your story on the news station.
I didn't get that.
But little did I know, people have been trying to tell his story for years. Articles, interviews, all of it went right over his head. He never saw it, never even heard it. And that is when it hit me. This was my chance. My chance not just to meet Frank, but to show his life the way it deserved to be seen. A legend sitting right in front of me, and he didn't even know it.
Well, how long?
Maybe 15 minutes, 10-15 minutes. Yeah. Anytime you're free. It took me a while for him to warm up to me. I mean, what does a 100-year-old man have in common with me? He's nearly triple my age, but I was determined. I wanted this moment, this story, and I wasn't leaving without it. I was determined to connect with him, to step into his world, and to truly see what a century of life looks like, one frame at a time.
Start at 10:30. Well, be good time.
Understand? Sorry, 10:30 a.m.?
Yeah.
Okay. So now I'm here to find out, is he really as good as they say? And can a 100-year-old take me down? Nice to meet you. Well, there's only one way to find out. Let's go. Oh, hey. We got it. Yes. We come back to
This is how legends are made.
Oh, I'm an independent filmmaker.
You got their permission to take this?
Well, I'm actually looking for Frank. Meet R. Lee, Frank's self-proclaimed bodyguard. Yup. Even at 100 years old, this guy still rules for security.
Very well, and we did an interview with him. He was on TV.
What's your name, ma'am?
Arlene.
Arlene, nice to meet you. Okay, don't mess with his bodyguard. Mabel's late. Don't come here. Mabel's late. She won't beat you up because she stopped me. So who are you? And no, I appreciate that so much. Thank you. Yup, that's me. I sat down there for 1 hour, patiently waiting my turn, watching greatness unfold. And then it happened. My very first time seeing Frank bowl. Surrounded by his friends, he stepped up, lined up the shot, and boom! At 100 years old, he still got it. So Frank, what's your secret? How are you able to keep your health up so long, and how do you bowl for so long? What's your secret?
Through life, I never spoke until I was about 25. I quit. and I never eat fried stuff. Otherwise, I don't know. I just went through life, just lucky, I guess. I don't know.
I mean, to be 101 now, still bowling, so active.
2 months. Yeah. I tell you the truth, don't feel any different than when I was younger, except for the knee. I used to bowl from stand here and run up to the line and throw that ball, and boom, 8, 6, 7 strikes in a row.
Really?
Yeah.
Your health played a huge role in it, correct?
Oh, yeah. If I wasn't healthy, I wouldn't be able to do this anyway.
And I coach Frankie all the time. I try to get him to stand closer to the line, and I'm getting him up there closer, and the closer I can get him to the foul line, the better he does. Because his ball gets down and it fades away. I got to get him closer, and the closer he gets, the better he bowls.
So you actually coach Frank?
Oh yeah, I help him a lot. Yeah.
When people look at Frank, what do you think that most people can see in Frank? Look at him.
Yeah, I have a good friend, and an old friend.
Hey, how'd you guys do?
Bowling here, and he bowl the same league we do. He bowls in the winter league. We bowl on the other end. He bowls in the winter league with us, and he bowls in this in the summer league and in practice.
What do you think is Frank's best attribute as a person and a character? How would you describe his character?
Oh, Frankie,
Yeah.
He's an awesome. He's a great friend. He loves everybody. And if you get on there, because like I said, he sings happy birthday to everybody on his organ. And he collects little race cars, too.
Then his friends started hyping him up, but I didn't believe it until I watched it with my own eyes. 3 games, 3 wins, strikes like it was nothing. And between frames, Frank just wasn't teaching bowling, he was teaching life.
I got it.
100 years old and still unstoppable.
He got a strike. He got a strike. Yeah. Yes, I made sure I got that on video.
Is there a certain technique that you do to get a strike? If you can give anybody advice on the technique to get a strike.
Oh, you bowl the same way for a strike all the time. Sometimes you might pull it a little bit, or the oil change, and you can't tell exactly. But you try to do the same thing.
I've never met a group of 80, 90, 70, 100-year-olds who are so competitive like these people. Yeah, he's up again.
Good job, Trish. She got a strike.
And has Frank ever beat you in bowling?
Yes, he has. A few times. Yes, he has. I was like, oh my gosh. So I sent a picture to my husband and I said, look at my new teammate. He's 100.
Now, seeing Frank bowling, I mean, next month he'll be 101. That's incredible.
Yes.
Seeing him bowling like that, I mean, not just being a great bowler, but living a long life. What do you feel like is the key to living a long, happy life? What's the key? Frank and his friends told me the secret to long life, but it wasn't what I expected.
He has a little glass of wine and chocolate every night. Right. And he says, don't worry, be happy.
Yeah.
That's his motto.
Don't worry, be happy. It's an incredible motto. And when did you meet Frank, actually?
Oh, maybe 10 years. Maybe 10 years ago.
Have you ever played Frank in a bowling match?
Oh, of course. And
Who won?
I don't want to tell you. He was good. He's always good.
Wow.
And nothing bothers him. He said, that's what he says. Don't worry, be happy. It comes, doesn't. He's really relaxed.
I think Frank's gonna ask me to bowl. At this point, I'm nervous. At this point, I don't know how to feel. I want to bowl with him, but I don't want to get embarrassed. The game is over. They have officially won the game. 3 games, they won. First place, he won.
Yeah, I got a spare in the strike.
That's incredible.
That's unbelievable.
Hey, come over here.
I don't know, man.
I've been talking about you. I just want to get a picture with you so you know who's been talking about you. That's
So
me.
I already coached. So out of like one match versus you two, who will win?
He would with his handicap. With his handicap, he beat me.
And Frank, what is the best advice right now that you would give any bowler right now?
There's no advice to give anybody. It's just you love bowling, just bowl.
In practice.
You know?
Look, we're right here with Mr. Frank Ilarde, the oldest bowler in the world. He's 100 years old. He turns 101 in October next month. So we're here bowling with him. We may just celebrate his birthday. But Frank's doing an incredible job. So Frank, how your first game go?
We won the first game, and we're in first place. We're in first place now. We don't have to worry. Want to play a game?
Oh, can I play with you? Yeah, sure.
No.
And nearly after waiting for 2 hours, he finally said those magical words that I've been longing for. In that moment, I knew it's about to go down.
I don't know if I should be afraid, excited, scared. I think I'm a little bit of both. I'm scared, nervous, and excited. Frank, go easy on me.
Yeah.
Let's go. The time has come for me to face the reigning champion, Frank Gilardi. And I don't know if I should feel nervous, excited. I think I'm more scared than anything. But I'm ready. Frank is not going to beat me. Uh-oh. Look, I'm already losing already. My shoes are flying everywhere. I don't know. Look, I'm already nervous. I'm nervous. I was going to put the camera down and give up, but I'm not a quitter. Because today, Frank Gilardi is going down.
I started throwing shots like my rent was due. I felt like I was training for the Olympics. Look, I was not playing around.
So I'm ahead for now. Let's see, Frank. Oh my God. That made me a
100
strike.
years old or not, I was determined. No mercy. I didn't care if this man once fought in World War II.
Strike. Oh! I got a strike! Woo! I got a strike!
Fourth. Strike, spare, like two heavyweights in a bowling ring. And then the unthinkable happened. This man at 100 years old tied the game.
Frank just tied the game. Oh my goodness. Oh no.
And folks, we got ourselves a ball game.
Officially ahead. Oh my goodness. I'm about to get beat by 100-year-old. No, please. No.
Yup, that's me losing to a 100-year-old. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I almost started crying. I mean, my whole bowling career was flashing before my eyes. How do you stop a man that's been practicing for 100 years straight?
Getting some advice from the champion. I can't lose this game. What? No way. What? No. You can't beat me. No.
But then the craziest thing happened.
Oh my God.
Frank, yes, the same man who's been beating me, started coaching me. Like, bro, how you gonna destroy me and then teach me at the same time? It's like Michael Jordan dunking on you and then giving you tips.
You gotta hit the head pin and the second one.
Okay.
So you can get in there.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Hit the head pin. Hit the head pin.
So after coaching, I'm thinking, okay, I got this now, right? Frank gave me the secret sauce. The next throw, boom, gutter ball.
I got a gutter ball. No.
Loser.
Now he's laughing. Now he's saying your time is about to be over.
All right, at this point, I'm down bad. Like, how do you get a private masterclass from a 100-year-old legend and still fail the assignment? I was ready to just walk out of the alley, grab my shoes, and take up cooking classes.
I didn't hit not one pin. Game is over? It won't be. That's game. It's game ball. I just lost.
But in the end, it just wasn't about bowling. Yeah, Frank beat me bad. But what I really walked away with was perspective. Here's a man who's 100 years old, still showing up every day, still laughing, still competing, still living. Frank taught me that life isn't just about strikes or the gutters. It's about showing up, enjoying the game, and finding joy in the little things. If I can carry even half of that mindset into my own life, then I'll say I won something way bigger than bowling. And as Frank always say, don't worry, be happy.
All right, man. Enjoy your day, Frank. Great job. All right, bye-bye. He still drives at 101. Incredible. Wow. I'm not going to lie. I'm very motivated. I'm motivated to make incredible stories and bring it to you guys. And it's just a testimony that you take care of your health, you live a long life, and most importantly, live life, no stress, no worries. Just have fun.
Because you never know when you take your last breath.
This is how